Hey, what's up guys, it's Marshall James. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you all. So in today's video, I will be showing you a little tips on how to make your old phone look all new and presentable again. Without much talking, let's see what we can do here. Okay, my old phone has been broken and it looks all weird, and you can see from the pouch here, it's so bad, so ugly. I feel like changing a new phone, but right now, since I don't have the money to get a new one, so I think doing some few little tips or getting some new gadgets can make it come out all new, and I'll feel better about my device. So I got a new screen guard for it, and at the same time this pouch. You can see how beautiful it looks. So let's see how this could fit in. Before we begin, firstly, let's take off the pouch from the back of the phone, the old pouch, which is white, and introduce cleaning process. So we now have to clean this phone using a medicated spirit and a cotton wool. We do it this way: dipping the cotton wool in the medicated spirit, and make sure you clean the whole dirt and leftover from the old pouch out of the phone, because you know you're bringing in new clothes, so you need to take off the old clothes automatically. So we do this gradually, and that's it. You see, you have all shiny black phone. It's cool, looks amazing already. Flipping over to the front side of the phone, let's take off this old crack glass. So with that, you can see from this new screen guard, you can see we have a wet and a dry rack in it. So just use the wet rack to clean all the fingerprints on oily part of it. So that is that. Now using the dry one to make the screen dry. And also that is that. Introducing a new screen guard, you do it this way gently and have all your curves and edges fitted perfectly. And pose. We are in. Wow, already it's looking all beautiful and all nice. Let's flip over to the back and introduce the new pouch. Wow guys, this looks amazing. The phone looks all fresh, all new, and I'm so loving it. It looks so new, and wow, I feel as if I'm having a new phone already. So you can see the exterior aspect of this phone I've been taken care of. Let's go into the interior aspect, which is the software aspect, and see how we can also make this phone run more faster and smoother. So with that, we can go straight up to the WhatsApp message videos, because that comes into our phone frequently depending on the individual groups we are in. Messages come in and gets downloaded automatically, getting all your space filled up, and we don't want that. We want to free up the space and make the phone run smoothly and fast. So we can easily go down there, the file manager, WhatsApp videos, and try and delete some that we don't want. So on clicking and hold on the video, you can see these highlighted, and automatically you can tick the ones you want to delete, and boom. With that, the video is gone, and you can go clear up your junks. Clearing up the junks, you know something, once in a while you go to your junks and clear it up to make your phone run smoother and faster. But guys, that's not all, okay? We're also going to our apps, because there you can find out there are some apps that have been lying down for over time that you haven't used. And most of them are the Bluetooth that comes with the phone. So you can go into your app gallery, go into your settings, go into your apps, and uninstall all those apps that you feel you're not using, they're just eating up space. So clicking on that particular app, automatically you see the uninstall button. Click on it and it's all gone. At the same time, you go to your junks, clear your junks, and make your phone run smoother and faster. Okay guys, if that video was educative enough and if you appreciate it, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell icon close to it in order to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Please don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and share the video to friends. See you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.